Hi everyone and welcome back, it's James. Today I'm holding a rather heavy box containing a battery. It's for my Honda PCX 125cc and the battery is from a company called YUASA. My scooter battery died a couple of days ago, so I need to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. So let's step outside. You're looking at my Honda PCX 125. I'm going to turn on the ignition. It is dead. You hear that? Take a look. Okay, it's dead. So I'm going to replace the battery. The battery is located under the seat. Pop that open. Sorry about this junk. Okay. The battery is located behind this little door, so I'm going to have to unscrew it, but this screw is worn out. I'm going to try this Phillips screwdriver to see if I can open it. Nope. So you know, off camera I was able to pop this button open like this. This comes off. Don't lose this. There's the battery. So I have to unfasten this. Remove this. And I need my Phillips. Here's the positive and here's the negative. The black cover came off. Don't lose this. Remove this belt. Just push this down and it slides like this. There. I should be wearing gloves. And I can just pull this out. Here it is. Here's the old battery. Okay, now I'm going to put the new one in. Here's the new battery. By the way, I bought this on Amazon. Let's just double check. Yep, they're about the same size, yep. Okay, this is what you get with it. So I'm going to use these little screws and these little nuts. So I'm going to put these nuts in here. Okay, then I'm going to screw them down. Here's positive and here's negative. Like that. this back in like this. This side is negative, this side is positive. Make sure that you know. Okay, I'm going to put this fastener back on. Then I'm going to put these contacts back on. And before I close it up, I'm going to test it. Okay, I'm going to test it before I close everything up. Good. Here comes the test. You hear that? Beautiful. Started really quickly, and that's how they change the battery. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.